Good morning, beautiful friends. Welcome back to the garden. It is a nice day. It was raining. Oh my God. At least it was not raining for that much, but any rain I can have that will help. This is the front garden with some rings and them. Look at this. Beautiful, beautiful stuff here. I just want to show you. I don't want to let me go. Yeah, I didn't want to work on the grass. But I want to show you how beautiful all those things are. They're very beautiful. I have this one and I try to pull out more stuff from the front yard. But it is beautiful. Look at this. I love those cypress so very much. I can't wait when I can make a living edge like I did for those things. I mean, I'll put them and then plant hydrangeas in front of them. Oh yeah, I can plant them on both sides, wherever I'm end up, and put one of those like here. Oh, I got two over there. That's four. Put one of those and plant hydrangeas on the front of it. Oh my God, that would be nice. That's going to be nice. Oh, look at this. Look at this. Look at this color.